Hi, today I want to answer a question: can you print Intaglio prints with cold press laminator? Most people who are buying this tool using it for relief or monotypes, and I want to show you some of my experiments with Intaglio, with Collagraphs, Drypoint. So there are two machines available on the market: the one with the green roller, which I have, and the one with the red one, Vevor. The one with the red one is cheaper and it comes with larger sizes, but I haven't used it, so I cannot speak for that. But I guess it works similarly. I will put links to those machines in the description. And if you decide to buy any of these, I would appreciate if you could use this link. It helps me to grow my channel and record videos like that, and for you it will be the same price. Anyway, going back to the machine. So here you can see a setup in my studio. I already had a smaller etching press, but I wanted to print larger, that's why I decided to buy it. At the end, a year later, I decided to buy a regular etching press because of course you can get prints from that, but it's not as comfortable and it's not as good as the regular etching press. But I think you can get quite nice prints from that machine. So the first thing is you need to change handle. The handle that comes with the machine is very small and it's not easy to use it, so you need to attach something larger. And I had this handle from some other machine, but there are different ways of doing that, and there is a forum on Facebook regarding cold press laminator. I will put a link in the description. And some people share what handles they use instead of the original one. Also, I mounted this laminator to the Kallax unit from IKEA, so it's not moving. There are also people who are building special stands, special tables to have it more like a regular press. And you need to have something like a bed, so I use a plywood. Let's see how it prints. These are Collagraph Carborundum plate. I'm just using a newsprint. I'm not using any blanket. However, there are people who are using blanket. I was very positively surprised with the results I got from my Collagraph plates and Drypoint plates. So that's Collagraph print. And I think the darks are really dark. Maybe they are not, as black, and I didn't get all the details from that plate, but I think that this was quite successful. And this is another print. Also Carborundum with Drypoint lines. So it's not very easy to operate, and this handle was not ideal. It was falling off the machine, so I was struggling a little, but still I think it worked quite well. And by the way, I recorded those videos before I started my channel, so it was not perfectly recorded. And this is the second print. So again, blacks, I think quite good. Third recording I found, the third print. And by the way, if you like Collagraphs, check my Collagraph playlist. And I think that another thing that helped me to get a quite good results with those Collagraph plates and Drypoint was that I used quite flexible plates, like flexible plexi or mat board, so they were not like metal plates. Third print similar, second one. And here are other prints, and now I only have pictures. I don't have any more recordings, so I will show you pictures of other prints I managed to print with that cold press laminator. So these are Carborundum plates with Drypoint lines. This is a Carborundum and Drypoint. Here again. Here also Collagraph with some stencils, Drypoint and different acrylic gels, and a little bit of Carborundum, so also prints in color. Another Collagraph plate, another Collagraph, and one more. And here are small Drypoints. So you can see that even Drypoints, I think, looked quite okay. So let me know, what do you think? What do you think about this cold press laminator? And watch my other videos from my playlist. Thank you for watching. Bye.